In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cross progression in Rainbow Six Siege. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, according to the official Ubisoft page, Rainbow Six Siege supports cross progression between all platforms for almost all of your in-game progression. In order to enable cross progression, what you have to do is to log into the same Ubisoft account, and that Ubisoft account needs to have all different accounts linked to it. So to put it simply, go to www.account.ubisoft.com or simply log into the Ubisoft website, click on your profile and go to the account management page. In here, access your account information and scroll down. You will be able to find the linked accounts tab, as you can see over here. In this category, you will be able to link all different accounts, so you can link your Xbox, PlayStation accounts, and after all of these accounts are linked to the same Ubisoft account, the next time you log in using the Ubisoft account, all the data will be shared into the same account. So all that you have to do is connect your PlayStation Network Xbox account to the same Ubisoft account. I hope I was able to help you on how to cross progression in Rainbow Six Siege. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.